Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Havells Glamax 9-watt smart bulb. So you can see this is what the bulb looks like. It comes with 850 lumens of intensity. It's Wi-Fi enabled and app and voice control. It also supports 16 million colors. Not just that, it also has warm and cool color tones, and also you can also control dimming with the app that it comes with. You'll have to download the DigiTap app from the Play Store, or you can scan this QR code and download it. This works with Google Assistant and also Alexa. And any other information, okay, iSoft technology, multi-users operation, multi-location, schedule settings. So all the smart bulb operations are available in this particular bulb. I will just show you what's inside. That's the bulb. This is the user manual for this particular device. So the setup instructions, rather, it tells you where to download the app and how to use the app to pair this particular bulb. And finally, this is the smart bulb. This is the Havells Glamax 9-watt smart LED bulb. And that's it. This is what you will find inside the box. Thank you for watching.